So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2024 paper 2, which is from the practical chemistry. And in this question what has been asked is, when the potassium iodide is added to an aqueous solution of potassium ferricyanide, a reversible reaction is observed in which a complex P is formed in a strong acidic medium. The equilibrium shifts completely towards P. Addition of zinc chloride to P is in a slightly acidic medium results in a sparingly soluble complex Q. So we have been asked that the number of moles of potassium iodide required to produce 2 moles of P is. So the answer should be 3. Why? Because I have shown here the solution how to do this question. If you see here, Ki is reacting with the K3FeCN whole 6 in the presence of acid, and we are getting complex P. And this complex P in the acidic medium react with ZnCl2. We are getting the sparingly soluble complex Q, which is Q complex. So if you see here how the reaction should go in this reaction, 3Ki react with the 2 moles of K3FeCN whole 6. We should get the 2 moles of K4FeCN whole 6 and plus Ki3. And this K4FeCN whole 6 react with zinc 2 plus to get this Q complex, which is sparingly soluble salt Zn2FeCN whole 6 complex. So that's why the number of moles of Zn should be 2. So 2 should be the answer for this question. Thank you so much for listening. The next question, 17th question, is linked with the same para. So we can do it here also. The number of zinc ions present in the molecular formula Q is 2. We have shown here 2 should be the answer. And for this question, number of moles of potassium iodide required to produce 2 moles of P. So 2 moles of P, if you see here 2 moles of P, we should have 3 moles of potassium iodide. That's why the answer for the 16 should be 3, and for question number 17 the answer should be 2. Thank you so much for listening.